Yo, what you good? I got a quick trade market recap today. Didn't take a trade today. Nothing really showed up the way I wanted to. So yeah, just didn't take anything because nothing showed up. So if nothing showed up, why would I take anything? So yeah, starting with EURUSD, the 4 hour was bullish going into market open. Prior to NY open, we had been bullish for quite a bit. So looking for the London lows to get taken, or maybe any low for that matter. We did have 1 hour lows here that were aligned with the London lows, and then just like that. So looking for ideally this kind of low to get taken before, because I was like before NY open, but ideally I was just looking for the absolute low because that was the like the 30-minute like kind of body, right? So coming into market open, we come all the way down here, right? So at this point, it's looking kind of promising, like, yo, maybe we could just take out the absolute under low and then start making a move up. We never ended up going lower than this point, and we just continued to consolidate, if you will, more higher and higher and higher. We did follow 4 hour structure, but just didn't really find an entry because we never ended up coming into the London low and taking out any like liquidity, if you will. Like there's no context to this trade. We didn't take anything out, so there's no reason for me to really go long. So that's why. So with GBP/USD, it was bullish, but clearly we reversed after NY open. So with that bullish mindset, I was looking for London lows to get taken, maybe even Asian lows to get pushed into, and then target the London highs. So that was like the only high. We did have this like previous like weekly high, I guess, like from the beginning of the week, but that was kind of the main target if we were to take out the London low and then start moving up. We did not take out the London low. We did have some hope here. We were moving down. If we had another move like that, that would have probably gotten us to the London low, especially with the Asian high being here as well. But that didn't happen. We ended up just reversing, almost taking out the London high, never ended up doing that. Took out the London low and then just continued to push on lower, taking out the Asian low eventually. So yeah, bro, like nothing really to look at for here too. Another thing I noticed is like, bro, it was like extremely like it was kind of choppy. I feel like it wasn't like really clean moves. It wasn't having a clear direction. Lots of wicks, a lot of wick, especially on GBP/USD, because I had no idea what was going on this one. But 4 hours bullish again. Everything was bullish. Looking for the London lows to get taken or Asian lows to get taken. We had this hourly low, and then we had hourly lows in London with the London lows. We had an hourly target close to the London highs. So what I was looking for was I was looking for the. Wait, no, I don't think this was a 1 hour low. No, it was actually 1 hour low. Looking for the 1 hour low to get taken, but we got like really close, We got really close. And with making that really close, like potential interaction, I didn't want to take a trade unless we actually took it out. I felt like that's a kind of magnet, and if price didn't want to come back into here, I probably wouldn't want to take a trade. I was trying to reason myself into saying like, yo, it's okay, yo, you could take this for trade. So I was like, yo, if we break structure and then we retrace into equilibrium, I'll take something, right? We almost broke structure here, then we reversed. We broke structure here, and we just continued to push on higher, and then we took out the London high, which was the target, and then there's no real reason to take the trade, right? We ended up taking out the absolute London low, taking out the Asian low as well, but there's no real context to the trade as like, if the target already got taken, why would I take the target? Like, why would I take the trade? There's no proper reasoning behind taking the trade. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today. And I'm gonna go to bed now, bro. Goodbye.